Hello everyone, I'm Rohit. I, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons of our chapters, and in short, we'll be learning how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today the chapter that I'll be covering is from NCERT Board Class 4. Subject is English and the name of the chapter is Helen Keller. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is meditation. The main innovation behind this idea is to use focused meditation to build a connection with the things that are being taught in the lesson so that we can develop a sense of critical thinking and patience among the students. Some of the important concepts that we'll be covering with the help of this innovation to build a sense of sensitivity within the students towards the specially disabled people. The duration for this activity is 15 minutes. Before starting the lesson, the instructor will have to make some few pre-arrangements. For we will be needing picture cards of specially disabled person. When we start the class, first we start the class by showing the picture card of the specially disabled person to the students. And we start with a few questions. We ask the students, who do you see in the picture card? We take their responses. Do you find anything different in the picture from us? We take their responses. Then we tell them that the person which we are seeing in the picture is a specially disabled person. These are those people who have got certain features which are different from us. Next, to build a sense of sensitivity in the students, we again start the discussion. We again ask the following question. We ask them, can you tell me what are specially disabled people? Who are they? We take the responses. Then we inform them that specially disabled persons are just like us, but they have got certain parts of our body do not work as us, and so they are known as specially disabled people. But some of them are much even greater than us. They've done certain things which even normal people couldn't do. And to make a connection with the lesson, we again initiate a discussion. We ask the students, can you tell me the name of certain persons, famous person who have been specially disabled? We take the responses. We then ask them, do you know who Helen Keller is? We take the responses. And then we inform them that Helen Keller was a famous and intelligent person who was both deaf and blind, but have achieved different achievements in her life. To make the class more interesting and to build the sensitivity towards the special disabled person, we then move on to our meditation activity. We ask the students to close their eyes, take a few deep breaths, and think about the following things. We tell them, imagine a life without eyes and without hearing and seeing ability. How do you think your life would have been? We give them time to think about it. Then we ask them to open their eyes, and then we tell them that today we will be learning about a person, famous and intelligent person who was both deaf and blind, name is Helen Keller. And then we again ask them that how did you felt when you were closed, when your eyes were closed? How do you think blind and those people who cannot hear live their life? What difficulties they face? We take their responses, and then we ask them that how do you think the blind people read? We take their responses, and also we make them understand how the blind people, with the help of Braille, continue their education process and so on, giving them certain other knowledges along with the things that are being taught in the lesson. And this way we continue with the class, making the students sensitive towards the specially disabled person, giving them a sense of awareness and moving on to the chapter. And if we start teaching the students in this way, we will be getting a lot of learning outcomes. So some of the learning outcomes, if we teach with the help of this innovation, are, first of all, it will build a sense of sensitivity towards the especially disabled person. It will also develop the critical thinking attitude. It will bring a critical thinking attitude among the students, because when they will be doing meditation and thinking about certain things that you are asking them to think, it will develop a sense of critical thinking along with patience in the students. Along with this, they will also be learning how to respond to simple instructions that are being given in English, and also respond to that, and also write few words in English. So this way we continue with the class. And for this video, that's all. And if you want more of such videos from us, please to like, share and subscribe to our official channel.